Jen. Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. I am here with my husband, Mr. Chaos, which is really chaos. I said Chaos just so you wouldn't talk about it.
That's not nice.
I'm not nice today.
Why are you cranky?
Because I am.
Anything. I've been down in my dungeon.
And you still irritate me.
No respect. No.
That's how powerful he is.
Yeah.
Anyways, we are here to share our next Tag Tuesday. See, picking on him just makes me feel better. Now I'm a little less cranky.
Nice.
I know. I am nicer now.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, we are here to share our next Tag Tuesday. These questions were sent to us by Sandy and Jimmy over at Life with Sandy. I will link her channel down below. So big thanks to Sandy for setting up these questions for us. Why is the screen flashing? You see it flashing down at the bottom on your shirt?
Yeah, that's weird.
What's it doing?
You need the vinyl? Weird.
Well, I'm glad it's actually flashing and it's not like just me, but
Yeah.
dang, we can't even get through the introduction.
Johnny 5-7 seizure.
So make sure you go check out Sandy's channel down below, and I'm also going to list all the channel links for all the other participants of this tag. If this is something you guys would like to join us on, just let me know, shoot me an email, comment down below, and we will add you to the email chain. Alright, let's go, Mr. Chaos.
Alright, question number 1. What is something you hate about going to the movies?
Well, since I'm a little bit Krabby Patty today, not in the mood to deal with people, okay,
Mm-hmm.
in the discussion. I just don't like the cost. It's stressful. It's expensive. We're lucky here in our town we have a $5 theater that shows like up-to-date movies. They only show 2 movies at a time, but it's only $5.
Yep.
So if we're going into the big town, it would be the cost.
Yeah, definitely. I would agree. Same thing. Alright, question number 2.
I'm also cranky if I have to sit by him.
Can we go sit over there? I'll just read the questions from over there.
Read them from the basement.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we can do like a duet thing. Do you do duets on YouTube so I don't have to sit next to you?
Sure.
Let's go.
Alright.
Just kidding, you can
Brat.
say. I am not a brat.
Mm-hmm.
I'm Krabby Patty.
Mm-hmm. Alright.
I'm just teasing.
Name something you have a best of. Car, pet, friend, clothes, house.
We do have the best Labradoodle ever. Chulo. He's funny. But what do we have the best of? Like, is
Each
it
other.
just anything in general? We have the best relationship?
No, just love each other and so.
We have the best of each other? If this is your best, then...
Yep.
Dang it. We didn't date long
No. Probably wouldn't be married if we did.
enough. Just kidding. My mom actually wouldn't let me date you, remember?
Yep. She knew then.
We do have the best of each other, I
Mhm.
suppose. Yes.
Alright.
I just feel like the question should be, like, I have Michael Jackson's Greatest Hits album or something. That's like the best of Michael Jackson, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or the best of Journey.
Mm-hmm.
We have a lot of those.
Mm-hmm.
But maybe she was, see, he's thinking more in depth. I'm thinking, like, what do I have the best of?
They gave us examples. Car, pet, friend, clothes, house.
Is it just an opinion? Like, what do we think we have the best of? Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Alright. Question 3. What is something you love to do in the summer? Picnic, go to the beach, barbecue, fish, garden.
Everything outside. I love to be hot in the summertime. I love it.
I like to go camping in the summertime.
Yes. Camping.
Mm-hmm.
Anything outside for me.
Mm-hmm. Alright. 4. Name something you have had a long time that is more comfortable the longer you have owned it.
Don't say me. That's rude.
No. Mm-hmm.
It gets more comfortable
Mm-hmm.
the longer we have it.
Mm-hmm. The examples you put shoes, slippers, clothes, chair, pillow.
Well, my blanket, I have that I have the unhide blankets from FabFitFun, and I sleep with that every night. And if I'm on the couch watching a movie, it's with me. If I go out of town and we're spending the night, it's with me. I like my unhide blankets.
would say my running shoes.
Yeah.
All right, question number 5. Name something your mother told you never to do.
You know what I'm gonna say. Just finish the question.
Do we have enough? That's it.
My mom told me not to date him.
Yep.
No, something my mom told me to never to do. She always said, never say goodbye to somebody without saying you love them, because you never know when it's going to be your last time.
That's a good one. My mom told me never to ride a motorcycle.
Gosh. And I grew up in a family that rode motorcycles. So,
yeah.
I'm guessing she told you that right after Aunt Bernie had her accident, right?
No, I was just growing
Really?
up. Yeah, she didn't.
Oh, boy.
Motorcycles weren't her thing. Yep. So.
Interesting.
Yep. All right. Question 6. Name an old movie that just about everyone has seen, but you think was the best movie ever.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, just give us an example. Wizard of Oz, Godfather, Gone with the Wind.
I like Grease. Is there another old movie that I like? I'm sure there is. But if it's like an older movie, Grease, definitely.
Old movie that comes to mind is In Harm's Way with John Wayne. I'm sure a lot of people have seen that.
Well, Xander do.
I don't know, a lot of people have seen that movie. It wasn't a very popular movie.
Xander do?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, question 7. Name an activity that you failed at the first time you tried, but it seemed to come easily for other people. Ride a bike, drive a car, skiing, roller skating.
I don't know.
Well, I'll go with
Yeah, go for it.
skiing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the
Neither
same.
of us nailed that one.
No, I was not good at skiing. Everybody else seemed to be good at that. Yeah, not good.
I feel like because I work in the medical field, drawing blood and starting IVs, like I just can't do that no matter what. I just can't. I can't. Everybody else can.
All right. Question 8. What do you consider the most boring sport to watch on TV? Bowling, baseball, golf, boxing?
I have a very short attention span, so it is hard for me to watch any sport on TV. I'm just going to be honest. I don't sit down long enough to watch much.
I would say golf. Golf is very boring for me to watch. I like to play, just don't like to watch it. All right. Number 9. Name a kind of business that used to give better service.
Oh, jeez.
You guys have enough time for my list? Because it's going to be like 20 miles long.
So, Mike's Car Wash. We'll go with that. I mean, and I'm not saying that they're bad now, but I remember when I was a kid, like we would actually get out of the car, they would vacuum it, wash the inside windows and stuff, and then they would drive it through the car wash and we could watch it. And now it's just a drive-through and you have to vacuum it yourself. That used to scare the crap out of me because they were like backpack vacuum cleaners and then they were on and they're like charging at you. And I was afraid if I didn't get out of the car fast enough that they'd like suck me up or something. So, but Mike's Car Wash isn't bad now. I'm not complaining. It's a different type of service now.
Yeah. They used to get better service, so yeah, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Anything in the food industry anymore.
Yeah, but I feel like that's not the people that work there's fault. I mean, you still have your butt heads, but the people that still work there have to work so hard.
I know.
The service isn't great,
that.
but it's not their fault.
I know, and that's what, it's not so much the people there, it's the way it's being managed and run. It's just all about profits. It's not about anything anymore, so.
I was just going to say that they're low-staffed or short-staffed.
Yeah, because they gotta they gotta keep their
Bad
profits.
management.
Well, that is bad management if they can't keep people staffed, so. Yeah, that's just my opinion. Question 10. I think this is our last one. Yeah, no bonus question either, so.
There's an extra question for Roy from Jimmy, though.
Oh.
So that'll be fun.
Yeah. Alright, question 10. Where or what was the most uncomfortable place you ever slept? Floor, ground, couch, tent, mattress, or rollers in your hair?
When I was younger, I could sleep anywhere. It didn't matter where I was. Anywhere. And now, the first thing that comes to mind is when we went camping. Well, we stayed in cabins down in Brown County. And the mattress there hurt my back so bad I could barely sleep for like 3 days. I was in so much pain. That's just a sign of old age. But that's what comes to mind as far as the most uncomfortable place.
Most uncomfortable place. Probably when I got older and tried to sleep on the ground. Camping, that wasn't a good idea. Because that really hurt. That was very uncomfortable.
We discovered air mattresses pretty quick.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. That's
it.
all of them?
That's it.
Gosh. This was an unquarrelsome tag, even though I'm Krabby Patties. All right. Well,
we can find something to talk about. I mean,
way to keep us from fighting. You did it.
We can find something to fight about.
No, I'm too tired to fight.
Okay.
Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. We truly appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget Sandy and all the other participants' channels down below. If you haven't already, if you give our very slow-paced video a thumbs up, we would appreciate it. If you're not already a member of our YouTube family, if you consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner, we would truly appreciate it. We'd love the chance to get to know you better. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye. Why do we whisper it?
I don't know.
Bye!
Bye!
There it is. See you guys.